Hi, in front of me is TCL 406, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings and click on connections right away. Then scroll all the way down and tap on printing. Then select default print service. Wait a bit. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my device is successfully connected to a printer. If you wish to use different print service, disable this one first, thanks to this switcher. Go back and tap on Add Service. Then download the best one for you. So misclick. And when it's ready, go back to exactly the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!